Welcome to Tutor Online. New Syllabus Mathematics Book 1 7th edition, Chapter 2, Integers, Rational Numbers and Real Numbers, Exercise 2B, Question number 9, Advanced Level. Question number 9. Part 1, Using the number line. Find the difference between -2 and 3. Part 2, the figure below shows a timeline for BC and AD. For example, 2 BC stands for 2 years before Christ and 3 AD stands for 3 years Anno Domini, which means in the year of the Lord that is after Christ was born. What is the main difference between the timeline for BC and AD, and the number line? Part 3, how many years are there between 2 BC and 3 AD? Part 4, think of another real-life example that is similar to the timeline in Part 2, but different from the number line in Part 1. Part 1, we have to make 5 jumps to reach 3 from -2. Difference between -2 and 3 equals to 3 minus -2, that is equals to 5. Therefore, difference between -2 and 3 is 5. Part 2, the difference between the timeline for BC and AD, and the number line is that the timeline of BC and AD does not have a 0 while the number line has a 0. Part 3. As there is no 0 on the timeline, we cannot use 3 minus -2 to find the difference between 2 BC and 3 AD. In fact, the calculation should be 3 minus -2 minus 1, if one year is in BC and the other year is in AD. If both are in BC, or both are in AD, the calculation is the same as that in Part 1. Therefore, there are 4 years between 2 BC and 3 AD. Part 4, the real-life example is the floors in a building. We can consider basement 1, as floor number -1, but there is no floor with number 0. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe our channel by clicking the button below. Also press bell icon in order to get notifications of our future videos.